In this video, we are going to be writing each of these expressions as the square root of a single expression. So we know from rules of surds that root a root b can be rewritten as the square root of a times b, which is root ab. In example b, we need a square root sign over both expressions, so I'm going to rewrite m as m squared, all square rooted, because we know that will just give us m, multiplied by root 5. So then we can rewrite that as the square root of m squared multiplied by 5, which neatened up would be root 5m squared. Part C, again, I'm going to have to square 2a to give me 4a squared with the square root sign over, multiplied by root r. So I can then rewrite that as the square root of 4a squared r. Example D, again, I've got two separate expressions here. This one already has a square root sign above it, so I need to put a square root sign above 2p squared, which means I need to square 2 and square p squared. So I'm going to start off with my square root sign here. I've then got to square 2, which would give me 4. I've then got to square p squared, that would be p squared multiplied by p squared, which would give me p to the power of 4. And then that's multiplied by the square root of q plus 1. Now q plus 1 is one expression, so I'm going to put brackets around it. So then I can rewrite this as 4p to the 4 bracket q plus 1 with the square root sign over everything. So this is one single square root here.